I'm about to give you 3 different ways to find winning products. I'll be showing you exactly how I find 10K a day winners for my own stores. We'll talk about my personal product research methods as well as my strict search criteria, or what exactly I'm looking for in a potential winning product. So if you're ready to find your next winning product to sell, click that like button and subscribe for more. My name's Alex if you're new. We have a lot to go over, so let's get right into it. So I want to start by going over my search criteria, or in other words, what you should be looking for in every single product that you sell. But first, I should mention that I do actually have a winning products newsletter linked down below, where you guys can sign up for that and receive the hottest products to sell for your own dropshipping stores every 2 weeks at no cost to you guys. My team does all of the research, all of the heavy lifting, everything for you, packed in one newsletter that gets sent out every other Sunday. So I highly recommend you sign up for that if you are looking for trending products to sell on your own dropshipping stores. With that being said, what goes into a winning product? Every product that you sell on your dropshipping store should, number one, not be sold in stores. You don't want your customers to be able to get in their car, drive to their local Walmart, and buy your product for cheaper. It definitely needs to be unique and have that wow factor that stops people from scrolling. If your product fails to catch the user's attention, you're not gonna get any sales. Your ads just won't work. So the first set of criteria is attention grabbing, unique, and not sold in stores. Next up, you want your product to solve a problem or make your customer's life easier. This can solve a pain point or help them get a solution. There's a ton of problem-solving products all over AliExpress that are marketed in a ton of different ways. Next up, you guys want to avoid certain products like copyrighted products or health products that can actually harm your customer, resulting in lawsuits. And you guys also don't want to make any guarantees or bold claims that your product can't keep up with. So be very careful with this approach and make sure you look at the legal aspects around every single product you're selling. You'll also want to order your product yourself to ensure that it has high quality, but also make sure your supplier can guarantee 14 days or less shipping time. Otherwise, it's not even worth it to sell that product because you're going to end up with so many refunds, chargebacks, and disputes down the line. It's a major headache. Now, while it's cool to keep up with the latest trends and sell trendy products, I typically like to focus on evergreen products that can be sold all year round without any seasonal influences. I don't like keeping up with the trends. I don't like selling certain holiday products. I like selling the same thing all year round. This allows you to maximize your revenue and sales, and you can even sell your business for a lot of money down the line when you're done. I've built and sold countless 7-figure stores using these exact same methods. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about my first product research method. This requires you to take out your phone and go on the TikTok app. You guys are gonna type in hashtag TikTok shop. You guys might remember when hashtag TikTok made me buy it was the big trend. Everybody was posting videos under that hashtag, but it soon lost its touch. So the new way of finding winning products is going on hashtag TikTok shop. You guys can look at all these videos down here, or you guys can select filters up here at the top. You guys can sort it by like count, and you guys can look at videos posted within the last month or within the last week. You guys can see all of these videos up here with millions of likes for all of these different products. Keep scrolling through there until something sticks out to you that you might be interested in selling. Then you want to compare all the different competitors in the space and see what exactly is working for who. You guys can go a step further by clicking on the shop tab right here, and it's going to show you all of the top trending products on TikTok shop. You guys want to pay attention to the amount sold, the reviews, and what exactly each shop is pushing. This is a great way to spot trends and find winning products for your dropshipping store. So for example, this women's jacket came up for me under a Black Friday deal. You guys can see it has an average 4.6 star rating with almost 100,000 units sold for this brand. Now, before we move on to our next product research method, I want to show you guys a way to start generating sales within the first few days of testing a new product. Your content and your creatives are the most important part of the sales process, and you can't neglect that. I see so many beginners spending hours crafting content together that generates virtually no views. It's a whole day's worth of work for just 100 views on TikTok. And same thing when they run paid ads. Their content generates virtually no sales whatsoever. So you guys want to avoid that problem entirely by only using high quality, proven to convert video ads. And you guys can do that by working with a professional video editing company like Ecom Adz. Ecom Adz is my go-to for getting new creatives fast. They're actually the most well-known video editing company in the world for dropshipping and have generated over 50,000 video ads for more than 25,000 clients. And you guys can see some of their best-selling packages down here, from their video ad package to their split testing package, their TikTok split testing package, as well as their image split testing package, which is 5 different images for your one winning product. And if you're like me and you're constantly testing new products, you guys can actually join their VIP program and save 75% on all video editing packages, 30% on UGC, This also gives you 1-day delivery time as well as revisions, delivery on weekends, and priority support. And I know from experience, I've been buying video ad packages from viral Ecom Adz for years, and they convert the best by far. I've purchased video ads from Fiverr, UGC creators, Upwork, and viral Ecom Adz is by far the best company out there. The results speak for themselves. They have their own proven track record, with the owners of viral Ecom Adz generating over $30 million in sales using their own ads. And I've actually partnered with them to give you guys 15% off using code Alexander15. So when you guys are ready to try them out, select the bundle you would like, select how many videos you want. You guys can actually save money by purchasing more at a time. Select if you want TikTok text on your video as well as a voiceover. Click buy it now, and you're gonna fill out a little more information about your winning product. Like I already mentioned, you guys can actually get this package for $12.50 compared to $50 right here by joining their VIP program. All right guys, now my next product research method is to use a fulfillment app like DSers that actually has a product scanner integrated into it. So you guys can select find suppliers right here on the left-hand side, select AliExpress. You guys can see all of the categories up here at the top. If you guys wanna sell in a certain niche, you can select one of these categories up here. But it's gonna show you all of these trending products that other stores are currently selling, as well as the rating, the amount of orders, and a little more information about each one of these products. If you guys are using DSers on your own store, you guys can actually import them to your store with just one click. But this is a great way to get exposed to new ideas and new products that you wouldn't have thought of before. All right guys, my third and final way to find winning products is one of the oldest ways of doing so, but it's still by far the best, and that's the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Now AliExpress is where most dropshippers source all of their products from, so they have more data available than any other platform. And they're constantly upgrading it with new tools and features to help you find products that stand out. So this is exactly what it looks like when you get there. You guys can look at the different categories right here, or you guys can select the winning products tab right here, which this is the page it will take you to. You guys can sort it by recommended, price, or the amount of sales. You guys can actually type in certain keywords. It's gonna show you a bunch of trending products that are working for other stores. You guys go over back to this tab. You guys can select certain categories right here. So we'll select women's clothing, and it's gonna show us a bunch of trending products in the women's fashion niche. This is definitely a niche that is currently hot right now. And these are a lot of great potential products that you could have success selling. So make sure to go through all of AliExpress's recommendations, look at all of their different categories, and just see what's working for other dropshippers and what's trending in the space right now. You guys can see a lot of these products are having different levels of success. This one right here has 1 sold. This one right here has 500 sold. This one has over 800. This one has over 3,000 units sold. So you guys definitely want to go with a product that has at least 100 sales, because that means it's currently working for other stores. Another great feature under any product category is this search criteria right here. You guys can select ship from if you want US suppliers only. You guys can select free shipping, as well as the actual price range that you're looking for. You guys now have all the tools I use to find winning products for my own dropshipping stores. If you guys want to go a little more deep on this topic, I do have a free course linked down below where we cover product research, sourcing a supplier, running ads, and so much more. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.